In this video, I'm going to show you how to repurpose your cell phone as a webcam. Now, if you're like me, you probably have a box somewhere in your house that's collected quite a few older cell phones over the years as you've upgraded to newer models. In many cases, these cell phones still work perfectly fine, and their cameras are probably as good or better quality than many of the webcams that you'll find on the market today. If you've looked online recently for webcams, you'll have noticed that many webcams are out of stock or are being sold at a premium over their list price. So repurposing an older cell phone is a great solution to save you time and money. To do this, there are two simple steps. The first is we need to download an application onto your cell phone, as well as install an application on your Mac or PC. The application is called EpicCam, and you can find it in the Android or Apple App Store. There's a free version and a premium version. The next step is go to the EpicCam website and download the software onto your Mac or PC. I'm on a PC, so I'm going to download the Windows driver and install it. Once you've installed the application on your computer and on your cell phone, you can open the EpicCam app and wait for it to connect. And now that I've got my cell phone connected to the EpicCam application on the computer over Wi-Fi, I can simply select it in my meeting software as a webcam. So in this case, I'm using Zoom, and I can open Zoom up and start a new meeting and select EpicCam as my camera. So this allows me to get closer to the shots that I want to take and easily move around a piece of equipment if I have to demonstrate it. Now, if you're going to be doing a lot of this type of filming, you may want to look into a gimbal for your cell phone. This adjusts for any movement and helps smooth any of that out as you move around a piece of training equipment, and will provide a much smoother viewing experience. The combination of the Wi-Fi webcam and the gimbal allows me to get very close to any piece of training equipment that I want to show and still operate it single-handedly without worrying about too much shakiness for my viewers. Now here's the same shot of what I just did without the gimbal. I hope you found that tip useful, and it helps you get closer to the action as you do your best to replicate hands-on learning from a distance this fall.